Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm still learning. It's my first time making this stuff. By the way, I made all this by hand. I printed these little things and stuff out. All this is by hand. This is a baby towel I brought. I made this, and I put it over there like that. And this the only thing I look up because I didn't know how to make was the chair. But all of this from this, flowers, everything, I did on my own. And I'm about to show you the mess. All this, guys. Look all this. Look all this. Boop. Look all this. All this. Just to make this. And I'm not even done because this side is empty. But I'm showing you guys how to make a quick book. Excuse the mess. You would print out like some pictures, some different things. See, I have like different stuff I printed out, and I use paint and everything. So you just cut up and fold pieces of paper, basically like, like a square. I did this one basically on my own because it's going to go on this bookshelf, but I'm gonna cover it up with this. No, with the black. So you just do this, and you take your piece of material, which I'm using gray again. So you're gonna do that, and you're gonna fold it in like this. Whatever excess you have, you could either fold it in, cut it off. You could practically do whatever you want to it. And I'm going to be putting a picture on top of it like this, so it will be that kind of book. And here's the other ones I made, and you could actually flip through the books. So like flip, it actually have paper in it. So I made 2 magazines. So I'm making picture frames. So yeah. And thank you guys for joining a quick tour of this house. Here you go, one more tour. Bye guys. See you next time with the full reveal.